Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop. So to do this, go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to open up the Microsoft Store. If you see it here on the pin apps, go ahead and click on it. If not, just simple type in store and you'll find Microsoft Store. Now, once Microsoft Store is open, you can easily use the search at the top to type in Roblox and you will be able to find Roblox there. So hit enter and you will find results showing up Roblox for Windows. All you have to do is click on it and here you can easily go ahead and click on get. Once you click on get, it's going to install Roblox on your Windows PC. And as you can see right here, pops up, it says download. I hit on that and it's going to go ahead and download for me. You'll receive a pop-up on your Windows as well. So go ahead and install that. Now, once you install it, you'll need to sign into your Roblox account and you can go ahead and start playing Roblox. And that's all that you have to do, guys. As you can see, the installation is almost done as it's pretty quick. And then I'm going to open it up and show you how easy it is. So here you can see that the download is finished. I'm going to click on install and you can see right now it's currently installing through the Microsoft Store. Here I can go ahead and click on play and you can see that it opens up Roblox. Now it's currently signing me in, so I need to go ahead and complete the sign-in steps to sign into my account. As you can see, it detects me. I'm going to click and let's go. Then go ahead and click and continue from here. And you can see it is launching the game right into Roblox. And guys, that's really how easy it is to go ahead and download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop. This is super easy to do, and I hope that you're able to do this on your computer and so that you can go ahead and start playing Roblox. That's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.